Hello everyone, I am Gurumurthy, Max teacher, the Optimus Public School, Bhavani. Today we are going to continue chapter 5, division. In this video we are going to learn equal sharing and equal grouping. First topic is equal sharing. What is equal sharing? Yes, on dividing the whole or a group of object is into equal parts, we get equal shares. We need to divide an object or a whole number into equal parts to distribute it equally. These equal parts have to be the same in measurements like weight, volume, dimension, numbers, etc. Example 1. Here there are 10 pastries that have to be shared between 5 friends. How can the pastries be shared among the 5 friends so that they all get an equal number? Let's first give one pastry each to one of the friends and then one more to each of them again. What is the number of pastries each one get? We see that each gets 2 pastries. So when 10 is divided by 5, the result is 2. We can say this as 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. Here 10 is called the dividend, 5 is called the divisor, and 2 is called the quotient. This is the division equation. 10 is total number of pastries, that is called the dividend. Next, division symbol. Next, 5 number of children, that is divisor. Next, equal symbol. Next, 2 the number of children in each group, that is quotient. Example 2. Here the 10 number of kites are there. We want to share equally. We know equal sharing means equal parts have to be same in measurement like weight, volume, dimension, number, etc. Isn't it? 10 kites can be equally shared as follows. Here there are 10 kites. There are 5 groups. Each group has 2 kites. 5 groups with 2 kites equal to 10 kites. This is a division equation. 10 divided by 5 equal to 2. Here 10 is the total number of kites, that is number in all. Next, division symbol. Next, 5 the number of kites, that means the number of groups. 2 the number of kites in each group, that means number in each group. The equal sharing means to find out the number in each group. One more example. Here the 10 number of kites are there. I am going to share equally. 4 kites are pink color, 6 kites are green color. I am going to share equally. Here there are 10 kites. There are 2 groups. Each group has 5 kites. 2 groups with 5 kites equal to 10 kites. This is the division equation. 10 divided by 2 equal to 5. Here 10 the total number of kites, 2 number of groups, 5 number in each group. Next topic is equal grouping. What is meant by equal group? Yes, group that have the same number of equivalent items. On dividing a group of object is into equal number, we get equal group. We need to divide an object or whole number into equal parts and distribute equally. Example 1. Here we have 10 kites. 4 pink kites, 6 green kites. The first group has 2 pink kites, second group has 1 green kites and 1 pink kites, third and fourth group has 2 green kites each, and finally fifth group has 1 green kite and 1 pink kite. This is the division equation. 10 divided by 2 equal to 5. 10 is total number of kites, 2 is number of kite in each group, 5 is number of group. Equal grouping is nothing but you are going to find out number of groups. But in equal sharing, we want to find out number in each group. That means number of item in each group or number of things in each group. Example 2. Next, equal grouping. Example 2. Here number of things are 12. That means we have 6 butterfly and 6 flowers. 6 flowers and 6 butterflies can be equally grouped as follows. First group has 4 butterflies, second group has 4 flowers, third group has 2 butterfly and 2 flowers. Here the number of things are 4, something as same and something as different. So it's called equal grouping. This is a division equation. 12 divided by 4 equal to 3. Here 12 is number of things, that is number in all. Next, divide symbol. Next, 4 the number of things in each group, that means number in each group. Next, equal symbol. Next, number of group. 3 the number of group, that means number of group. I think you have some confusion with the equal sharing and equal grouping. Is correct? So I am going to explain the difference between equal sharing and equal grouping. Example 1. In left hand side figures shows the equal shares. Each group has 3 caps with same dimension, same size, same volume also. Isn't it? So it is equal shares. But in right hand side, the number of apples are same. Each group has 4 apples but different colors. So all groups shows a same number of apples with equivalent size. So it is equal groups. One more example for you. Difference between equal sharing and equal grouping. See equal shares. The first figure shows circle equally divided into 2 equal parts. The second figure shows that is a rectangle. It's equally divided with 4 parts. Third figure shows square with equal 4 parts. That means each figure has equal size and parts. So it is equal shares. In right hand side, we have 2 groups. Each group has 5 members but a different person. Therefore, all groups shows the same number of person. So it is equal group. Dear kids, I hope you and all understand the equal sharing and equal grouping. Try yourself. Pause the video. Complete your classwork note. Thank you. We will see in the next video.